So this basically recreates what it would have been like to buy sweets in the 50s and the 60s and probably later than that. So obviously people who come and experience the Rem Pod can ask for a quarter of sweets and we can weigh that out and so on. And we use money with it as well. And it's fab because it creates, I guess, real life experiences for, especially for people who are living in a care home, you know, who may not have the opportunity to go out to shops. Basically, it allows them to tap into what their life was like. And we have, what else do we have? Well, we've got sweets that are still around now, pear drops, rhubarb and custard and Yorkshire mixture, but we've got plans to expand this further and create some more sessions that will allow it to be a little bit more interactive and sell other things, not just sweets. So that's what we want to do moving forward. And we use books with it as well because, you know, we are the library service after all, and books are a tool. There are many tools that we use, but they're one of them. So you can see there's a book here called Sweet Memories. So again, it's an opportunity to start off those conversations, you know, dolly mixtures and so on, and what do they recognise? Doncaster toffee, did they ever have a Doncaster toffee? So, yeah, things like that. So yeah, sparking off conversation, basically, tapping into memories, and that's what it's all about.